intelligent people in the world now are grabbing every little opportunity, every chance they get to meet somebody, to communicate with somebody. They are making money, guys. Social media is for smart people to make money. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, please click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel, and God will bless you. Today's topic is really an interesting topic, and it's a very important topic as well, because many of us, we use social media. In fact, we have 85% of our time, majority of people, is on social media, from one app to another: WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. In fact, social media. This topic is really timely because while some people are on social media just for entertainment, some people are on social media for real business, and some people are making so much money off social media. The figures are so overwhelming, guys. So today I'm going to be giving us some tricks and some very useful tips or information we might love to hear about making money on social media. So this whole social media thing, making money, it's a very big topic, and we cannot, in fact, we'll spend the whole day if we want to talk about it now. So we are going to break it down in subsequent videos. So we are going to have a video talking about making money on Facebook, another video talking about making money on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, and the rest, and all the various social media platforms. So for today, I'm just going to give us a general briefing about making money on social media. Now, many people have this notion that to make money on social media is you have to be a content creator. Yeah, that's true, but that's not the only way. That's not the only criteria for making money on social media. And many people don't even know that they can make money off social media. We have billionaires from YouTube, we have millionaires from Facebook, Instagram, and all those apps. We just go to catch cruise, just go to have fun, but others are really making money big time out of it. So guys, apart from being a content creator, you can actually make a huge sum of money on social media. Now, if you run a business, if you're an entrepreneur, and your social media handle, your account, your page, or whatsoever handles you have, if they don't bear some information about your business, then you're really wasting time on social media. Guys, it will shock you to know that I was able to make almost 100K in 3 days on social media, just by advertising my skill on my various handles. So guys, it is not social media is where we meet people. We get to meet so many people, so why not advertise yourself, advertise your skills, advertise your businesses on social media? So guys, if you have a social media account, you have a Facebook page, you have an Instagram account, and you are not sharing your content, you're not sharing your skill on there, then you're really wasting time. In fact, you're just wasting data. So guys, this video is not all about how to put 1,000 and have 2,000 francs, how to multiply money. It's just about how to use your intelligence to make money off social media. Yeah guys, so like I was saying earlier, advertising your business on social media, running ads, running campaign. There's so many. We are going to be breaking it down in the videos ahead, guys, so stay tuned. If you want to get all of those, if you want to get that information, then guys, please subscribe, so that when the next video is out, you're going to be notified. I promise you, you're going to be marveled. So since today is just a general introduction, I would just like to brief you. Let me just start with Facebook, the one I mean Facebook, the one we are so familiar with. Many people love Facebook, so that's one of the most easy apps to use, and it's one of the most less data consuming. I mean, what am I saying? It is one of the most less data consuming apps, yeah. So Facebook doesn't need so much data, and guys, you don't have to just be wasting time on Facebook. You can become a content creator. Why not? A content creator doesn't mean you must obviously be a video content creator. You can actually be a blogger, you can actually be an advertiser, a marketer. You can run a page, you can run something, and in the long run, the more followers you have, the more your page can be monetized. So guys, even while using these apps to catch fun, entertain yourself, you can as well give value to people's lives. And the more value you bring to the society, the more followers and engagements you have, and the more your page can get monetized. In the line of content creating, apart from advertising your businesses, if you don't have one, don't bother, you can as well run other people's businesses. So I have actually been a PR for many organizations, and I've been running many pages for organizations. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been a PR for about 4 businesses on Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So I've actually been running people's businesses, and PR means public relations. So it's just about creating content, and you're being paid, and as well you are getting some new friends, because it is those friends and followers that are going to enable your own Patreon account, going to make it possible to get monetized. So guys, I don't want to spill out the secrets right here, because we are going to be going step by step. We are going to be taking from one app to another. So get ready. It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot, because we are going to begin with Facebook, then we go to YouTube, then we go to Instagram, we go to TikTok, we go to all the apps you use. This, even WhatsApp. Many people think that WhatsApp is just for communication, but you can actually use WhatsApp to earn big. So intelligent people in the world now are grabbing every little opportunity, every chance they get to meet somebody, to communicate with somebody. They are making money, guys. So don't just wake up every day and you're on your phone 24/7, and you don't even know what you gain from that phone. Social media now is not just for cashing cruise and entertainment. Social media is for smart people to make money. See you in the next video. The next video is going to be about making money on Facebook. Hey, if you're not going to be here, you will miss. So just click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well, so that when this video is up, you'll be the first person to watch. You really need to watch this and stop wasting your time on social media. There's this one last thing. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed so far. We have already taken 50 steps into our journey, which means we have had already 50 plus subscribers. So thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, I'm begging you in the name of God, please subscribe to this channel. By the time we reach 500 subscribers on this channel, we are going to have a massive giveaway. A giveaway that will benefit at least 10 people. So guys, let's make this possible. Please share this channel with your friends, invite your friends, invite your families, invite everybody. Let's all learn, let's all have fun. And guys, don't forget to as well drop some interesting things you want us to discuss in our coming videos. Drop them in the comment section, and I'll get to read them and we're going to talk about them in subsequent videos. And also guys, I would also like you to leave a remark. What do you think about this channel? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it just there? Whatsoever your remark is, guys, please drop it in the comment section so that we can be able to correct any mistakes that are going on here. So guys, thank you so much for staying here to the end. Don't forget to stay awesome. Don't forget to be responsible. Don't forget to be loving. Don't forget to be caring. Thank you so much for coming here, and see you in the next video. Invite a friend to watch that video because it's going to be awesome. So thank you so much for coming back here. I love you so much. Bye bye. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Mwah.